Halo, selamat datang kembali di channel Bastian Way. Di video kali ini kita akan melihat sebuah video review atau reaksi video tentang lagunya Mas ALIPBATA yang berjudul Toxicity yang dilakukan oleh Charlie ya dengan channel YouTube-nya Charlie What Now. Kebanyakan lagu-lagu cover Toxicity dari System of Down tetap menggunakan musik-musik rock sebagai alur musik covernya, sedangkan ALIPBATA dia akan menggunakan sebuah gitar akustik untuk memainkan lagu Toxicity yang bergenre rock. Seperti apa? Langsung saja kita lihat reaksi yang dilakukan oleh sheawhatnow. Langsung saja.
The quality of his audio is so good. I'm already mesmerized.
Kita pause. Dari video yang tadi kita lihat, cover-cover sebelumnya, sangat terasa keras sekali, rocknya masih sangat terasa, sedangkan di ALIPBATA ini lebih terasa sedikit scary, nuansa musiknya sangat misterius, dan ini malah lebih terasa kalau menurut saya.
Oh. Oh. No big deal, just makes it look so freaking easy. Okay. That's ridiculous.
Dan di pas bagian ini banyak sekali reaktor-reaktor dunia yang kaget karena Mas ALIPBATA yang diketahui sebelumnya hanyalah memainkan gitar akustik tanpa bersuara, bahkan melakukan sebuah narasi awal untuk menceritakan apa yang dibicarakan, tetapi di sini benar-benar Mas ALIPBATA menyanyikan sebuah lagu dan yang dinyanyikan adalah lagunya Toxicity. Tetapi dengan karakter lagu yang berbeda, sangat berubah sekali antara Toxicity asli dengan lagunya Mas ALIPBATA.
Alip is singing? What? I've never heard him make any noise out of his mouth. Like, what? Are you... Alip! I did not know. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. I love it. I love it.
Confusion is software version 7.0.
Are you kidding me? He sings like that too? He's just multi-talented. I'm blown away. I've never once heard him speak or sing. So this is just crazy.
It's software version 7.0. Looking at life through the eyes of a child. Easy, just a pastime activity.
I had no idea.
Toxicity, our city. Yeah.
Wow.
I can't believe he sounds like that. That's just amazing. Are you serious? I'm blown away right now.
Now, somewhere between the secret, silent, silent and sweet. Somewhere between the secret and silent and sweet. Disorder.
Oh my. I swear, he can play anything. I can't believe he's singing too. This is so cool, so special. What a great surprise.
Just a pastime activity. Cause toxicity, FRCT, FRCT. Yeah, why?
He's so talented. What the heck? Oh, I'm low-key jealous, but I know that he's put in so much hard work practicing to get this to this level of success. Like, I feel like people don't see that part of, musicians. It's like you didn't see them taking lessons every day for 2 hours and practicing for another 3. Like, he's just so talented. He deserves it.
Now, somewhere between that secret, silent and sleep. Somewhere between the secret, silence and sleep. Disorder.
Every time I hear him sing, it literally makes me just so sleepy or relaxed because it's so mesmerizing. Like, I know I'm not the only one. Wow. I love it. Oh my God. Alip, you killed it. Oh, that was amazing. Wow, guys, thanks so much.